When we talk about safe installation of permanent balustrades, there are important safety factors that we need to be aware of to reduce the risks to ensure work is undertaken safely. 3 prominent hazards associated with the installation of permanent balustrades include working from heights where there is a risk of a fall, falling objects, and manual handling. Before starting work, plan your tasks and review your safe work method. Ensure that site-specific hazards are identified and controlled. Working from heights, fall prevention. Prior to installing balustrades or working from a balcony or edge where there is a risk of a fall, ensure that appropriate fall prevention is in place. Appropriate fall prevention can include perimeter scaffolding, temporary edge protection, isolating the balcony or edge and undertaking work from an elevated work platform, or using a harness with appropriate anchor points. At different stages of the project, a combination of these controls may need to be considered. It is essential that the job is planned well and that fall prevention remains in place until the permanent balustrade is complete. This includes considering how edges will be guarded when the finished structure's quality must be maintained. Falling objects. Objects which fall from height create a significant risk to workers or other persons, including members of the public. The hazard is created by losing control of a fixture or significant component of the permanent balustrade, dropping a tool or material, altering scaffolding or temporary edge protection and dropping a component, or inadvertently kicking material off a balcony. The risk controls will depend on the type of fall protection which is in place. However, the following measures are important considerations: the development of exclusion zones below the work area, use of multiple workers to stabilise and control the load, the installation of toe boards on scaffolding or edge protection, PPE, including hard hats for workers working below, safe engineering of mesh around scaffolding or edge protection, and, in commercial settings such as high-rise projects, lanyards attached to tools and other work components can minimise the risk. A combination of these controls may need to be considered. Manual handling. The design of a permanent balustrade may create different types of hazardous manual handling which must be controlled. For example, the shape of a balustrade component can cause lifting and sustaining forces to be more awkward. High force to lift or restrain different components alter the risk. The ease of installation and time it takes to complete the task also alter the risk. Ensure that all efforts are made to use mechanical aids to transport balustrade components to their installation area. By remembering each other and following these basic steps when installing permanent balustrades, we can help keep each other safe.